This is a tutorial on how to import an audio file into Toon Storyboard Pro. So now we're looking at the project as a thumbnail, and what we need to do is create the timeline view. So I'm going to go to the corner here, and at the bottom I'll see timeline. I'll select that, and now I have a timeline view. I can toggle between the thumbnail view and the timeline view, but I can only add audio in the timeline view. The way we add audio is we select the audio track. So I'll pull this up just so we can see this a little easier. This is helpful. So we can see I have an audio track here by default. I have to have this selected in order to import the project. And I'll show you this. If I have the artwork in the storyboard selected, then I go to File, Import, and it's not going to let me import any sound files. So that means that I've got to remember to select the audio track here. So now when I go to File, Import, I can select sound files. And I'm going to click the folder here to navigate to the folder that my sound file is in. Click Open. And I'll just leave this by the default. It'll be in the current soundtrack. I could create another soundtrack if I wanted to, if I was going to add, sound effects or something like that. And we'll have it go to the first frame. I could have it go to the current frame of where my cursor is located, but in this case, I know this file is edited to start right away, and it's ready to go into the first frame. So I'll go ahead and click OK, and it drops it in. Now, if I go to play this by using the playback button, I don't hear any sound, so I'll click that to stop. So what I need to do is enable the sound, and that's under the play menu right up here. And I have to select audio playback. We won't hear any sound unless this is selected. And so now when I click play,
and radioactive,
I can hear it. All right, so the other thing that I want to do is I want to go over to the sound pull-down menu, and I want to show the waveform. By doing that, I get to actually see where the sounds are more specifically, and that will help me when I grab each of my frames in the storyboard to figure out how long each shot needs to last. So by grabbing the edge, I can adjust the length for each frame. And that is how you import audio.